This is a little 15k clone. This one's actually badged up as Jones, but it's been made in Russia. A rough old thing, really. It's just somebody was asking how the bobbin case and shuttle goes back together. I think they're taking it apart and couldn't remember which way round it went. So here it is. This is where they were. Put the hook in first. Just slides in there. Then if you look at this bit, this is a little retainer. It's got little hooks on the end of it and they're shaped. So you've always got a bit that goes in there to a point. So that's the way it goes in. And it'll just sit on two little retaining lugs that are sitting outside there. You see there's one there. There's one on the other side the same. It just sits onto there. And then you need the last bit which holds that in place, which is sort of spring loaded. And it just goes in with a screw, or in this case it's got a thumb screw. So it just screws on there. Just do it up. Sometimes you have to wiggle these about to make sure they've got in the right position. As long as it's in the middle, it should be fine. There you go, just do that up. Yours has probably got a normal screw. And then bobbin case goes in last. It's the same as all the rest of them. So thumb against the little pin there. Slide it in. So bobbin goes in that way with the thread coming off. Goes under the slot. And that's it. Just bash the camera. So there it is. You need to make sure you've got this little bit in your finger, otherwise it won't fit in. And then just drop it in there. It lines up with a slot at the top. Sometimes they're set over there a little bit, but they're all the same. And if you've got it in right, if you pull on the thread, it won't fall out. So that's how it goes back together.